And the Hello World. So currently we are looking at the Hello World program, and there are high chances that this might be your first step towards learning Python to give the desired output, which in this case is Hello World. Let's understand what Python does to give us this desired output. As we understand, we get to know that Python does a fair amount of work to run even this simple program. So let's understand step by step what happens. So first, when we save the file, which in this case is main.py, the ending .py, as you can see here, indicates that this is a Python file. Our editor then runs the file through the Python interpreter, which reads through your program and determines what each word in the program means. For example, when the interpreter sees the word print, which is followed by the parenthesis, it understands that it is a function and it prints to the screen whatever is inside the parenthesis. When we write the program, we'll observe that our editor highlights different parts of program in different ways, like print and hello world are in different colors. It recognizes that print is the name of a function and displays it in one color, and it recognizes that hello world is not a Python code and displays it in different color. This is known as syntax highlighting, is very useful